welcome back to another video of Old Ticker Jack. Today, I'm at an airport.
Where are we going?
Well, I'm going on an Airbus to Texas.
Ooh.
Now, I don't know if it's going to be double decker or not, though.
No.
Maybe.
Let's go look out there.
Look at this view. I saw a Navy plane take off. If you can see it, look over there, you can barely see a fin on one of the airplanes.
Are you nervous?
No?
Are you excited?
Yes.
How was going through the security checkpoint?
For me, it didn't beep at all.
Good.
Yeah, because my pockets are empty. Not my backpack.
We're still waiting on Daddy to come, aren't we? Oh, there he is.
He's got his, hey, dudes! And there's also a plane. Our plane is here, a flight. Let's watch it pull in.
There's one land out there.
It has the number 2 on it. The yellow box. That guy has the orange sticks in it. It's guiding it in. Big It's coming in. And it's here.
You excited?
Yes, that tube is going to connect to a steel door on that.
Look at the jet engine still spinning.
Ooh, yeah, look at those
that is
engines
gonna connect
spinning.
to a metal, to a steel door on the plane, and we're gonna walk through that tube into the plane. I see you back when we're on the plane.
Look how fast we're going. Watch out the window. We're getting ready to take off.
Why are we going so fast?
Airplanes are fast, dude. Here we go. We're lifting. And we're off the ground. We are in the air.
This is cool.
Yeah.
It almost made my stomach take over.
Look out.
I can see the whole Knoxville from here.
Yeah.
Like at the mountains right there, that's where Knoxville ends.
No, Knoxville.
We landed. And we touched.
How
We
smooth was that
touched.
landing?
We touched. We're in Houston. Oh gosh, we touched. Okay, I was wrong.
Feel them brakes, dude.
Go ahead.
Talk about some braking power.
I thought I thought my Jeep had good brakes. I thought my Jeep had good brakes. They really do.
We made it. High five.